2016 Cadillac ATS 2.0 LTG. Taking a video to show the orientation of the vacuum pump seal on the back of the cam cover. Taking a shot of the spark plug tube seals, the orientation. And then here's the tool I use to install the seal here so that it's flush. Another note is when you are putting them in, there's going to be a larger ridge for both the spark plug tube seals and the vacuum pump seal back here. The larger ridge of the seal goes in towards the engine. So let's see. I have an old gasket. That one's kind of destroyed. But so when I removed the spark plug tube seals, you can see I took a flat blade, I pinched each end, and then I used a seal puller to pull them out. But on the gasket, you could see, let me try to get it in focus, see the bigger ridge on the left? That side gets installed down into the cover. Same with this. Otherwise, that's what the cover looks like removed. Didn't find anything online, so figured I would post something if it helps someone.